Hey guys, Erica here from Big Cat Creative, and today we're tackling a really important small business topic: how to create a freebie that actually gets people to sign up to your email list. So what exactly do I mean when I say freebie? Well, a freebie in this case could also be called your lead magnet or your opt-in, and it's a valuable piece of content that you offer your audience for free in exchange for their email address. This is a super common tactic and really the best tactic to actually grow your email list. Generally, most people won't sign up to your email list unless you give them something in return, which is fair because letting someone bombard your already full email inbox is a pretty big deal. So it's a win-win situation. Your audience gets something valuable and you get their email address. Now, if you're not sure why building your email list or getting these people's email addresses is incredibly important in your business, I'm not going to go into that too much here, but I will link some resources below this video that can help you learn about what an email list is, why it's so important, and how to get started if you're just beginning. But make sure to come back here after you've looked at those resources because creating this freebie comes right after. To create a freebie that resonates with your audience and boosts your subscribers, there are a few things that you need to consider. Firstly, you'll want to think about your dream client. So you need a clear understanding of who your ideal customer or dream client or ideal customer avatar, whatever you want to call it, is. What are their interests? What are their goals and passions? Why do they actually want or need what you sell? By knowing your dream client, you can really create a freebie that actually attracts the right audience. So just thinking about your ideal client maybe didn't spark any winning freebie ideas right away. That's fine, but consider them as we talk through the next points. Firstly, you'll want to identify their pain points. So what are the challenges or problems they face? By addressing these pain points in your freebie, you're going to show your audience that you actually understand their needs and you can provide a solution for them. So obviously, if you know exactly what issues your ideal customers are having right now, you can use that to create your freebie, and your ideal client is going to be really motivated to actually sign up for it or download it. Then think about the common questions you receive from your customers. This can be really helpful as well. These questions indicate areas where they need extra help or guidance clearly, so it's an obvious choice for a freebie. By answering these questions in your freebie, you actually establish yourself as an expert, build trust with your audience, and of course, because you're using your actual customers' questions, you know for sure that this is something that they're actually going to want the answer to. So I recommend having a bit of a brainstorm session and write down details about your ideal customer. What are the main issues that they're facing related to what you sell? And also have a look through your emails or DMs or wherever you communicate with your customers most and see if you can find common questions that are coming up that you could actually answer in a freebie. This does take a little bit of work, but if you do want to create a really effective freebie, then you do need to be a little strategic about it and do a little bit of research first. Okay, now that you have an idea of what your freebie should be about, if you don't yet, pause the video, do your brainstorming, and come back. Let's talk about how to package it up. Some of the most popular and best freebie formats are workbooks or worksheets, mini courses or trainings, quizzes, or even ready-to-use templates. Each format has its own benefits. There's also tons of other formats as well, but those are just like the really common ones that we see most often. We know that they can be really effective. So go ahead and choose the one that best suits your audience and suits the information that you want to provide. They can all work really well, and not one is technically better than the other. But of course, just think about it like if you know your audience is super short on time and they really need a quick win, maybe a 1-hour training probably is too much for them. And then depending on the actual content in your freebie, maybe it works better for them to actually work through it themselves in a workbook rather than sitting down and listening to you talk about it. So just consider what's most important to your audience, what's actually going to work best for them, and then the actual content within your freebie and how that's going to be best delivered. Under this video, we've got some more resources on how to create that said freebie, but once it's actually packaged up and ready to go, the most important thing, and where a lot of people actually get hung up, is that you actually need to share about your freebie a lot. So if you want people to sign up to your freebie, it doesn't matter how amazing it is, how perfect for your audience it is. If they don't know about it, they're not going to sign up for it. So start by strategically sharing your freebie on your website. This is the easiest place to start sharing it, whether it's through a pop-up or a sign-up form in a sidebar on your homepage. page, in your footer, or you could even make dedicated landing pages for this freebie. Make sure your audience knows about this offer, and if they're on your website, they're not going to miss it. Of course, use social media as well. Regularly share links to your freebies on the social platforms that you use for your business. Spend some time creating graphics and posts that actually highlight the benefits of your freebie and really entice people to sign up. By creating freebies that actually address your audience's pain points or questions, offer quick solutions to those things, and can provide genuine value, you can really quickly grow your email list with high quality subscribers who are actually likely to convert into loyal customers. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and learned something new. If you like this one, make sure to check out this tutorial and subscribe because we put out new videos every week. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.